Hi, it's Mike at Harding Autos. Just thought I'd give you a little bit of a walk around video today on the Triumph TR6 that we've got in here. This is actually a recommissioning of a car that's been off the road for several years. The customer's decided he wants to start using it again, and he's going to be driving it to Spain this summer. So he's brought it into us to have a look at the safety features, a few little upgrades, and anything that we think that might cause him a problem for quite a long trip, obviously. So we've been working hard to make sure that brakes are safe, suspension, steering, quite a lot of work rebuilding the carburettors. At this stage we're actually doing a bit of an upgrade. We're changing all of the rubber suspension bushes, which are all perished. They're all going to be upgraded to poly bush from Super Pro. So that's all of the suspension and drivetrain bushes all going to be replaced. We're also putting a quick ratio steering rack on there because the old one was worn out. Like I say, we've rebuilt the carburettors. It's having now a full stainless steel exhaust system, so it'll be going on the dyno after all this as well to try and dial everything in for fuel and ignition timing. So yeah, this is a complete recommissioning of a car that's been off the road now for I think about 4 or 5 years, and then hopefully going off to sunnier climates later in the summer, where it will hopefully spend the rest of its days bombing around the Costa del Sol in the sunshine.